Hi, this is Carl with the Small Biz Thoughts Technology Community, and this is the November newsletter for 2024 and our final community newsletter where we're doing a separate newsletter and video. Now, here's what's going on. We're going to be focusing more on communication through our forums, and that's super easy to communicate with you. You can check through any of the forums, log in, go to the forums, just check the button and you'll get notifications by email whenever anything is posted. So we're going to post our news up there. We're going to dribble it out through the month, and so you'll always be informed as long as you are subscribed to the forums. Of course, you can also log in at any time and just wander to the forum and look around. Or when you first log in, over on the left-hand side, there's a area with the newest posts. You can just see what the recent activity is inside the community and just engage from there. However you want to do it is fine. The main thing is we had some people contact us and say, hey, I'm not getting all the news because I confuse it with Carl's weekly newsletter, and then I miss the monthly newsletter, or it just doesn't show up on my radar. So we're going to market everything to everybody, and those who are not members of the community, well, they're just going to feel left out, and that's okay with me. Now, what's going on in November? To start out with, November 7th, which is Thursday, first Thursday of the month, we have our all-member meeting. So everybody in the community is welcome to attend that. If you've not attended before, it's really a great group of people who get together and frequently have a problem. Either they have a question that they want to ask about marketing, or a tool set, or a vendor who switched something up, or two vendors got merged, which, is constantly in the news as recently as last week, right? So there's always something going on, and people just want to know, hey, what are you seeing here? What do you know? What do you think? Sometimes people have problems that they would like to get some assistance with. It's a really great environment, very friendly, and you are absolutely welcome. So sometimes we have people who are brand new and they show up and they're surprised at how welcome they feel. So if you've been in the community a long time and you don't attend these meetings, this is a good time to start. I'll see you November 7th. Then coming up on November 21st is our Marketing and More breakouts. So these breakouts are kind of like mini mastermind type groups where people come with a specific challenge. They set goals. We literally write down what those goals are, and then we check back the next month and say, so how did you do? Did you, advance the newsletter? Did you get your mailing list together? Did you do whatever it was that you were working on? Again, you can join anytime. You will be made to feel welcome. And we've had a few people recently who joined specifically so they could take part in the Marketing and More breakout. So if that's something that remotely is interesting to you, just join us, see how it works. Drop in for a day. I think you're going to want to stay. I think you're going to want to come back. Again, they're kind of like mini mastermind groups in the sense that we will hold you accountable if you want us to, but there isn't a lot of pressure. We're not going to force everybody to take a turn, bring in their problem to the table or whatever. But we do want people to participate, and we want you to get as much as possible out of this community. In all of the things that we do, changing communication and changing programs and so forth, our goal is to get you involved so that you can improve your business. That's literally why we exist. So if there's anything we can ever do, if you want a one-on-one meeting with Kara or me, or you're looking for something in particular and you think, I can't find that in the community, just send us a note. We are happy to help you, point you to resources inside the community and outside if we need to. But we'll do whatever we can to help you improve your business. All you have to do is ask. So get engaged and stay engaged. On the education front, coming up November 19th, which is a Tuesday, we begin the final 5-week course of the year over at IT Service Provider University. Now, ITSPU is our sister site. I just happen to own both of them. So if you're in the community, you get a certain number of credits depending on the level that you buy into. If you have not used your education credit so far this year, now is a great time. Join that class or take another class, because that credit expires December 31st and you get a new one. So if you haven't taken advantage of that community benefit yet, now's a great time. Take advantage of it because you're going to kind of get a double whammy because you get one in the next 6 weeks and then you get another one that is refreshed on January 1st. So you could take a couple of classes in short order if you wanted to. Now, we have 25 classes over at ITSPU. It's a separate site, so what you do in the community, right next to your picture up in the right-hand corner by your name, there is a $sign. Click on that. It'll take you to the community discounts. Take that code, go to ITSPU, and sign up for classes. If you have the Community Plus membership, you currently get all of those classes. Heads up, in January, you're going to hear about some changes we're making with regard to what the offerings are. The price is going to stay the same, but what you get in each of the categories is going to get tweaked a little bit. Remember, you are locked in for life. So if you've been getting all the classes for free as part of your membership, that will continue. New people will get fewer classes. So we've got a few special things that we're doing. Again, our focus is to get people as engaged as possible, but we are making a few changes. If you are a longtime member of the community, you get locked in for life. So you get to keep your current rate forever as long as you maintain your membership. Another great benefit of the community, you get everything first, which means when we come out with new stuff, it's going to show up in the community before anything else. Again, just kind of stay tuned to the forums or look over on the left-hand side when you log in and you're going to see the notices of things just posted. I'm currently working on a newsletter starter kit. I want to help you create a great client-focused newsletter. And there's certain pieces of that, and it's kind of formulaic, right? So once you get it down, it's super easy to maintain. And I believe your newsletter can be and should be your greatest marketing asset in your company. Your list, by definition, is made up of people who know you. There's warm and hot prospects there. There are no cold prospects on your list, right? So use it. They are waiting to hear from you, and that's why they gave you that email. So you need to grow your list. We always talk about that in the marketing breakout, but you also need to use the list. You need to send out those newsletters and just begin a never-ending conversation with your clients and prospects. As they hear more and more from you and about you, they're going to get sort of tuned into what you do. And when they need someone, you're going to be the person that they call. It's as simple as that. This is a long play, but it absolutely will work. I also believe that you should do certain things on a quarterly and an annual basis in your newsletter. So we'll talk about that as well. So that entire starter kit for newsletters is something that's going to come out very shortly, and it'll show up first inside the community. All you have to do is click on it and download it. And if you want to have a class or a meeting on it, we're very happy to do that as well. It will be for sale over in my store. You don't need to go get it there, but you'll see that it's for sale to the rest of the world in the store. And it has true value, and I believe that it's worth your time. Otherwise, I wouldn't put the effort into putting it together. I want you to be as successful as possible. We're constantly working on improving things for you. If you have feedback about this newsletter, about ending the videos, about anything we do or how we're organized, send us a note or put a comment in the forums. Kara and I are here to help you to be as successful as possible. So the key to success for you is you have to engage, right? You've got a membership, take advantage of it, make the most of it, take those classes, download those materials, do something every month to improve your business. And again, we're going to have lots of announcements. We got a huge, major new program coming up in the new year. You're going to hear all about that in the next few weeks. Stay tuned to my weekly newsletter. And remember, if there's anything you need, you just send us a note. I'll meet with you. Kara will meet with you. We have lots of opportunities for you to engage. So please get involved and make sure that you end this year very powerfully. That's it for November. That's it for this newsletter. For Small Biz Thoughts, this is Carl Polachuk wishing you the best of luck in everything you do.